Today we're going to be sharing how to make these origami bunny baskets for Easter. First, you're going to take a square piece of paper. For a larger basket, you'll want 11 or 12 inch squares. You could also do like an 8-9 inch square for a smaller basket. You're going to start with your paper facing the right side up and then folding it in half. Then you'll turn the paper so the back side is facing up, and you're going to fold the paper into quarters. So take the bottom half, fold it up to the center line, and then you'll repeat on the opposite side as well. Once you've done that, you're going to fold each quarter in half as well, so your paper will be folded into eighths. Then you're going to take opposite corners and line them up and fold a crease along the diagonal, and then repeat with the opposite corners as well. Then you'll open your paper back up, count 3 of the eighths up, and then fold at that line. On one of the ends, you'll pinch in along the folded diagonal crease, and you're going to line up the part that comes up 2 blocks to that bottom of the 3rd eighth at the top. Then to repeat this on the other side, you're going to flip it over, fold 1 block down so they meet in the center, and then you'll fold the second ear of the bunny by matching up where it's folded on the opposite side and then creasing in place. Then you're going to take the opposite end from the ears, take the bottom corner, and fold it up 2 of the eighths and fold along that crease. Then you'll open it up, and the inside of the back looks a little bit like a W. You're going to fold along the lines you've just creased, those outside lines, and this takes a little bit of work, so just be patient. If you start with the 2 outside longer folds, it makes it easier to crease in the center smaller folds. Once you have those folds fully creased, you're going to open it up, move that center tab over, and then fold along the top line, leaving about 1/4 inch in the center. And then you'll move the tab over and repeat with the opposite side. This next part is a little bit tricky too, so you're going to take this little square with the diagonal through it at the top, fold it into that first fold. That top line of that square should line up with that first eighth fold, and then you will tuck that whole first eighth down into the center of that middle piece. As you get up to the ear, you're going to end up folding a small triangle at the end to make it lay flat. Then you're going to repeat this process on the opposite side. While opening mine to show you, it kind of popped out of the centerpiece, so I just put those back, tucked those into that center fold there. And that's how it should look from the top at this point. And then you'll take that triangle at the front and kind of fold it on the crease that's already there, and then you'll open it up and fold it back into itself. Now you're going to take this little top corner, fold it down maybe 1/4 of an inch, and angle it up to fold about halfway up the ear. Then you'll take that fold and fold again a little bit further, maybe almost 1/2 an inch down, crease up, and then this is where you'll form the ears, so you'll kind of round out that piece at the top. And then you'll just repeat that step with the other side. Now you're going to create that little bunny nose by just taking one little fold of that top corner and creasing it in place. And then again, just repeating that on the opposite side. Now you can open it up and press down on that center fold to open up your basket. Now it's ready to fill with your basket filler and your candy.